Welcome to the wedding.
Test fit number one.
Number one of fucking 37.
Probably.
I'm gonna hit Taryn up for some sponsor money. As much as I've been filming the back of your guys' shirts for the last 2 months.
Bye.
See ya.
All right. Oh. What are you doing?
That ain't gonna go straight now, but it'll be close.
Yeah,
It'll be close.
We could leave that on.
It'll be close.
No, you're good.
Yeah.
I was hoping.
You got plenty of room in the back. It looks like this needs to come back some.
Well, it will. I gotta finagle this side first.
You're gonna hit.
Forward just a little. Get this thing down some more.
I think you're good back here, dude. You're on your own, dude.
I'll finagle it all in there somehow.
I'm just not. I think we could.
What's up, guys? So just to update on this thing. So what James is trying to do with this engine swap is retain the air conditioning that came with the engine that he bought. And the kit that he bought to do the swap pretty much came with everything you need to do a straight swap minus the air conditioning. So he knew he was going to run into problems by trying to keep the air conditioning. The problem is on the driver's side of the motor, there is no room in here. The steering box is going to be in the way of the compressor, the exhaust, the header is probably going to need to be moved as well, or something's going to have to happen with that. But we're running into a few problems. He kind of expected this, so now that the motor's in, we can actually tell, you know, what we need to move, what we need to relocate. I don't know if we're going to actually relocate the air conditioning to the other side of the motor, just make some mounts and mount it over there. I'm not sure what he's going to do about that, but it's definitely got to be, something's got to change. Otherwise, it's like putting 20 pounds of shit in a 10-pound box. But we'll figure it out. James and Taryn, smart dudes. They'll figure out a way to get all this stuff in there. Hopefully. I know James really wants to keep the air conditioning.